the National Commission to investigate the January 6 attack on the United States Capitol complex, known colloquially as the January 6 Commission, is a proposed commission that would investigate the storming of the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. It was proposed on February 15, 2021, by Speaker of the United States House of Representatives Nancy Pelosi, who announced that she planned to create a 9/11-type commission. The Speaker's office said the commission will investigate and report on the facts and causes relating to the January 6, 2021, domestic terrorist attack upon the United States Capitol complex. A bill forming the commission passed the House of Representatives on May 19, 2021. On January 6, 2021, pro-Donald Trump supporters attacked the United States Capitol in Washington, D.C., with the goal of overturning the results of the 2020 U.S. presidential election, in which Trump lost to Joe Biden. At the time of the attack, the U.S. Congress was finalizing Biden's victory as the 46th President of the United States. By the time the riot was over, 4 people had died, and more than 14 people were injured. Vandalism, destruction of property, theft and many other acts of violence were performed in the Capitol by the rioters. After the storming of the Capitol, on January 6, 2021, the U.S. House of Representatives filed one article of impeachment against Donald Trump, incitement of insurrection, due to him encouraging the rioters on the Capitol storming and frequently announcing voter fraud in the 2020 election. At the Senate impeachment trial on February 13, Trump was acquitted, the required two-thirds majority not being met. Senator Lindsey Graham said that need a 9/11 commission to find out what happened and make sure it never happens again, and want to make sure that the Capitol footprint can be better defended next time. Senator Chris Coons agreed with this statement. A commission on the Capitol riot would need to be approved via legislation like the 9/11 Commission was, and the composition would be in dispute. On February 15, 2021, Nancy Pelosi announced, in a letter to Democrats in the House of Representatives, she plans to create a 9/11-type commission to investigate the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol. It would contain no members of Congress and be an outside commission. In the letter, she said that, quote, next step will be to establish an outside, independent 9/11-type commission to investigate and report on the facts and causes relating to the January 6, 2021, domestic terrorist attack upon the United States Capitol complex, and relating to the interference with the peaceful transfer of power, including facts and causes relating to the preparedness and response of the United States Capitol, police and other federal, state, and local law enforcement in the National Capital Region. Republican House members have sought to push some of the blame for the attacks on Pelosi. A group of House Republicans issued a letter demanding answers as to what the Speaker knew regarding the Capitol's security posture on January 6. The priorities would be as of February. Democrats are drafting a proposal of the commission's composition. Under their plan, the commission would be composed of 11 members, outside of the federal government, who would be appointed by congressional leaders in the White House. The 4 party leaders in Congress would each get to appoint 2 members, while the president would appoint 3 members including the chair. This would allow Democrats to pick 7 of the commission members and Republicans to pick 4. The commissioners would be tasked with filing their report by the end of 2021. The commission would end 60 days after the report has been issued. The chairman of the House Homeland Security Committee, Benny Thompson, and its Republican ranking member, John Cutco, announced on May 14, 2021 that they had reached an agreement on the creation of the panel. Under the deal, the commission would be modeled after the 9/11 Commission. The commission would have 10 members, half chosen by Democrats and half chosen by Republicans. Subpoenas could be issued upon approval of both the chair and vice chair, and the commission would be tasked with the responsibility of producing a final report by the end of the year. Despite the deal, the leader of the House Republicans, Minority Leader Kevin McCarthy, opposed the bipartisan commission, coming out against the commission's formation after the right-wing House Freedom Caucus and Trump opposed the commission. The House voted on a bill forming the commission, and it passed the House of Representatives on May 19, 2021. Every Democrat and 35 Republicans voted in favor of the commission. The other Republicans voted against it. Schumer promised that the House bill will receive a vote in the Senate. Criticizing the minority leaders for bucking bipartisan negotiations, members of the Problem Solvers Caucus expressed support for the commission.